How to contact Caesars Sportsbook customer support. If you want to contact the customer support on Caesars Sportsbook, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the Caesars Sportsbook app, and then you can make sure that you're actually logged into your account. Now, even when you're logged in or not logged in, you'll find a profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. You want to simply tap on the profile icon that you can see there, and if you look at the bottom, it says 21 plus only. If you're having problem, you can call this particular given number. So you can see 1800 number right here, so you can just tap on that little number, and once done, you'll find the number load up over there, which you can simply select and call this number, which is the customer support number for any type of issues that you're having. This way you can contact Caesars Sportsbook customer support. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.